Hey guys and girls, here's just a quick review on these raised garden beds that I bought from Amazon. I ordered from Amazon. They from a place called GADI or GADI. It's spelled G-A-D-I. I'm fairly impressed with it. It cost me like $50, and then you can get like a coupon which is like 10% discount, so it'll probably run you around $40, and you obviously get free shipping for clearing the amount needed to qualify for free shipping. It's made out of galvanized, and it's very easy to assemble. You just it comes with these nuts. There's like three of them, and they have like wing nuts. These bolts with wing nuts, very easy to assemble. It's got like air vents here on the side all the way down. The level of my soil went down a little bit because after I added water and it rained, but it will take, this one takes roughly around I'll say 8 cubic feet of garden soil to fill it up all the way to the top. I just ordered myself one of those compost tumblers, so I might add a little bit of compost in a month or two. I got this from Walmart, these garden soil bags. They're 2 cubic feet each, and I put like 3 in each. So yeah, it's got these supports in the middle. I think at the bottom it's got another 2, but they don't seem to be really sturdy because these are already starting to bend here. But I mean, the planter box, the box itself, it's sturdy, and I don't believe it's gonna rust out of here because it's galvanized. I might give an update in like a year or so if they did rust. But yeah, I liked it. I mean, for $40 you get what you paid for. I mean, as long as it doesn't rust and fall apart, I'm happy. I mean, I could build something out of wood, treated wood, and it might be cheaper, but about having it galvanized, I know it's gonna last for a long time. I'm planning on building a little greenhouse out here, so yeah, I'll put a link to where I ordered it from on Amazon. I'll put it down in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and you guys have a wonderful day.